Hi everybody, thanks for coming back and checking out another video. I've got today, it's a Brady Lotto lock. The key's a little bit different, it's a slider lock. So you push the key in the right way, turn, and it pops open. So there's 6 sliders, 3 on that side and 3 on the other side. So let's see if we can get it picked open. It's a little bit of an awkward pick. You need 2 tension wrenches and just something to press on the sliders. So a broken pick will do. So we'll start tensioning from that side and we'll just start looking for binding sliders and we'll just push on them. That's all I can feel at the minute. So the other 2 sliders are behind the tension wrench, so you've got to swap over tension from the other side just so you can get access to the other ones. We'll click off one of them then, and again we'll swap back again. And we'll have a look at the other ones on this side. A little bit of, it looks like a false set. So again, we'll keep swapping tension. It takes a little bit of work, just working your way around. You just keep pushing the sliders. Until you get an open. And there we go. Sorry about the video, it's hard to keep it in view. Brilliant, thanks for watching.